Built in 1926 and designed in the Mediterranean Revival style by renowned architect John Eberson, the Tampa Theater is one of the finest existing atmospheric-style theaters. The design approach recreates the historic look and feel of the seating, carpet, drape, and valance with a color palette based on Eberson's original design intent, thus enhancing the user experience. The design created modern solutions for the building's dewatering and life safety systems with emergency generator power and additional waterproofing. A dilapidated historic storefront is replaced with hurricane-resistant, energy-efficient, and aesthetically appropriate glazing that masks ductwork and louvers for a new emergency generator at the lower level. The jury stated, "It is commendable that they brought a building with such historic value back to its original glory."